Alright, so to remove the vac motor, first thing I would recommend is to disconnect the main power there. Then you can disconnect the plug here to the vac motor. And then there's just 3 bolts. 3 bolts, hold on 3 brackets. You can usually get away with taking just 2 of them off and loosening the 3rd one. There's one. There you go. That's the vac motor. Just make sure the exhaust is facing down, and you can hook it back up. Hook this top bracket back up and make sure you center it there. And start installing your brackets again, same way you took them off. Make sure the vac motor is centered, tighten up your brackets, connect your plugs, and you'll be good to go.